What's good, productive people? I'm Zeemzilla, and today we're going to be talking about the different types of intelligences and why you should care about them. So this video will offer lots of free value and will broaden your perspective. So make sure to pay attention, take notes, and without wasting any more of your time, let's get started. So the three different types of intelligences that we're going to be discussing include financial intelligence, emotional intelligence, and social intelligence. So first, financial intelligence. Financial intelligence is simply the understanding of money. Money is a huge and important part of our lives, yet schools teach us nothing about it. People that don't understand how money works are doomed to be its slave. Money should work for you, not the other way around. We live in a society where we lack basic financial skills such as budgeting, taxes, credit, or throwing yourself into debt. Because of this, people are doomed to living what's called the rat race, which is working a 9 to 5 until you retire in order to pay off debt for the rest of your life. Luckily, I'm here to warn you of the debt trap ahead of time so that you can avoid these mistakes that millions and millions of people make every day over the course of their lives. Here's a quick lesson about money. Society teaches us to look at money like this. Say you have a job that pays $15 an hour. If you work for 40 hours in a week, that's $600 a week. But imagine instead if you had a business where you're selling things. Say, for example, you're selling things that cost $50. So if you had 60 sales in one day, that would bring you $3,000. See, now there's a difference. There's a cap on how many hours you can work in a day, but there isn't a cap on the numbers of sales that your business can make in a day. Money is infinite. Time is not. The duration of time that you spend on earth is finite. Yet, your potential to earn money is infinite. So the way to go about doing this is to invest your time into yourself and assets that will bring you money. This way, you can command more dollars and have it work for you. The more money you have, the more free time you have. This is easier said than done though, but we'll be covering how to do it on this channel, so make sure to stick around. Emotional intelligence, or intrapersonal intelligence, is the knowledge of self and management of one's emotions. The brain is the command center of all human beings, so this is perhaps the most important type of intelligence. How adept a person is in this domain of intelligence will dictate how well they thrive in life. Being able to understand and control your emotions, as well as read the emotions of other people, will allow you and lead you to make better decisions in your own life. The key benefit of emotional intelligence is delayed gratification, which in essence is delaying your desire or passion, pleasures, whatever you like doing for the sake of achieving a goal. This is how rich people become rich, because they know that they have to put in work if they want to achieve their goals. They can't party every weekend if they want to be wealthy. That's delayed gratification right there. People that can't delay gratification become slaves to their passions and their desires. This is like when people become addicted, or people can't control like how they feel, that type of thing. You don't want to be in this boat. Being emotionally intelligent will allow you to recognize and identify your own emotions. It'll allow you to manage your emotions, motivate yourself, recognize emotions in others, and improve relationships. People with greater certainty about their feelings are better pilots of their own lives. They don't care so much about what other people think or how it affects them. You know, if someone doesn't like you, that's their fucking problem. So, people like this, they're less prone to anxiety as well. They're not thinking about, what's going on in other people. Guys, you cannot control what someone thinks about you. If someone doesn't accept you for who you are, that person is not for you. Being emotionally intelligent can help you avoid many problems with people by simply being aware of how another person may feel. The next time someone offends you or does wrong to you, don't react emotionally. Instead, use the XYZ method. So how this works is you tell them that when they did X, it made you feel Y, and you wish they had done Z instead. X being the thing that they did to upset or displease you, Y being the way that it made you feel, and Z being the alternative to avoid the same thing from happening in the future. What this does, this XYZ method, it communicates clearly and effectively how you feel from the actions of others. It is then that other person's responsibility to make amends with their own actions. And if they don't want to make amends, they don't deserve to be in your life. This method is way better than attacking another individual and getting into an unproductive shouting match. That's the last place that you want to be. Lastly on the list, we have social intelligence or interpersonal intelligence. This sums up to how well you are at communicating with other people. Communication is an invaluable asset that will take you very far in life if you develop it and take it seriously. Most people get nervous and anxious when meeting strangers. You know, I was there once, so I understand that it's not always easy talking to people that you don't know. However, I'm here to tell you that you can improve your social skills by challenging yourself and stepping outside your comfort zone. The most growth in your character occurs outside your comfort zone. So it is your responsibility to go out there, get uncomfortable, and talk to people. You know, start off small, but by doing those tiny little steps, you will improve. Because like anything else in life, practicing will lead to improvement. Do not be afraid to improve. It's no one can ever knock you for trying to better yourself. One of the secrets to being an effective communicator is listening. We have 2 ears and 1 mouth for a reason. In a nutshell, you can become an expert communicator by simply becoming an excellent listener and getting other people to talk. Think of conversation as a flashlight. Try and keep that flashlight on the other person as much as possible. You'll be doing least of the talking this way. People absolutely love talking about themselves. It's their favorite topic from my experience. So the next time you're meeting someone new, take a general interest in them and get to know them. When talking with people, I try not to do more than 30% of the talking, which usually consists of me asking questions about the information that they're already giving me. This, coupled with strong body language, such as eye contact and strong posture, will project a strong, confident character. And people will look at you as an effective communicator. The more you do it, the better you get. So go out there, get uncomfortable, practice. So that's all I got for today. If you learned anything new or received any type of value from this video, please leave a like and subscribe. It lets me know what kind of content my viewers enjoy. And also, make sure to comment below if you guys have any other questions or if you guys would like more videos on these type of intelligences, because there's a lot more to each of them than what I discussed. But if that's something that you're interested in, just comment down below. But until the next video, guys, peace.